In a world dominated by technology and fast-paced living, there still exist hidden corners where people live completely cut off from modern society, and this is where the true meaning of survival, resilience, and human strength comes to life. Imagine a community built far from civilization, surrounded by dense forests, towering mountains, or endless deserts, where there are no roads, no internet, and no easy access to hospitals or markets. In such places, life is not about convenience but about endurance, adaptation, and deep-rooted connection with nature. Every single day begins with uncertainty, where people must rely on their skills, instincts, and collective unity to overcome challenges that most of us cannot even imagine. Living in such a remote environment means that even the simplest tasks become a test of survival skills. Fetching water is not as easy as turning on a tap. It involves long walks to rivers or wells, often through dangerous terrain. Food is not bought from stores but hunted, gathered, or grown with immense effort, highlighting the importance of self-sufficiency and hard work. People in these communities understand the value of every resource, wasting nothing because they know that tomorrow is never guaranteed. This lifestyle builds a mindset of gratitude and discipline, something modern life often takes away from us. One of the most powerful aspects of surviving in such a community is the strong sense of unity and cooperation. In the absence of external help, people depend entirely on each other. Whether it's building shelters, protecting the community from wild animals, or caring for the sick, everyone plays a role. This creates deep emotional bonds in a culture where trust and loyalty are not just values but necessities. Unlike modern societies where individuals often live isolated lives, these communities thrive on collective strength and shared responsibilities. However, life far from civilization is not romantic or easy. It is filled with constant risks and unpredictable dangers. Natural disasters like storms, floods, or droughts can destroy everything within hours, testing the limits of human courage and perseverance. Medical emergencies are particularly terrifying because there are no hospitals nearby, forcing people to rely on traditional remedies and ancient knowledge passed down through generations. Every decision matters, and one wrong move can have serious consequences, making awareness and quick thinking essential for survival. Another fascinating element of such communities is their deep connection to nature. Unlike urban lifestyles where people are disconnected from the environment, these individuals understand the language of nature. They can predict weather changes, track animals, and identify plants for food or medicine. This knowledge is not learned from books but through experience, observation, and years of living in harmony with the environment. It reflects a level of wisdom that modern education often overlooks. Children growing up in these communities learn survival skills from a very young age. Instead of spending hours on screens, they are taught how to hunt, farm, build, and protect themselves. This creates a generation that is mentally and physically strong, capable of facing real-world challenges with confidence. Their upbringing is centered around practical knowledge, responsibility, and respect for nature, shaping them into resilient individuals. Despite all the hardships, there is a unique sense of peace and freedom in such a life. Away from the noise, pollution, and stress of modern cities, people experience a raw and authentic way of living. They find happiness in simple things, sharing meals, storytelling by the fire, and celebrating small victories. This simplicity teaches us an important lesson. True happiness does not come from material wealth but from meaningful connections and a sense of purpose. In conclusion, surviving in a community built far from civilization is a powerful reminder of human potential. It showcases the strength of the human spirit, the importance of adaptability, and the beauty of living in harmony with nature. While modern life offers comfort and convenience, it often disconnects us from the core values that truly matter. These remote communities teach us that survival is not just about staying alive but about living with purpose, courage, and unity in the face of adversity.